Ramri boy chung changa state pani te chief secretary le DGP te voina anin mudon ta Indian state ve in dauta chu central sarkar po ngoi thei bik talova arangin state pani te hi meeting nei puya tumani nimin July ni somni le pasari khan state pani chief secretary le director general of police DGP te arhiatir to ti in press trust of India chona soi he meeting hi union home secretary Ajay Pala in cherala anga khatia anin kap ta thut mai kha a chan le thilom dan an soi ho don ani union home ministry thu chuina tarlan danin tun trum in kana angchi hi a thlen non le to lo nan central sarkar hian state pani te hi azil hlek don ani mela an zom that view phechurin om chuang lova a chan chu building chunga in biak na le ramri boruak hi chu akar hi hla thei khop mai putar rol in biak ang diak hian akal thei lovani central sarkar chon ramri boina hi avil verenga state pani te a beton reng ti soin boina muna CRPF da anni ti tarlan ani bok central sarkar hian ramri hi avei tak lo ni na lang thok le khata chin fel ngal a thei lo ani poin state police te la chuakin central force neutral tak da mai sela ramri boi nia kan soilai hi chu sarkar in a chin fel ma chu state pani te hian kutan thlak thei lo nan an veng tlat tur khania ma se central po hian BJP state sarkar hi adu sak deu chuni mel ta berani hi July ni somni le paruk thau khan Meghalaya lama Assam police ten boina an siam ve hlek boka khulampo khu keini lamang thowin Meghalaya chief minister Conrad Sangma le Assam chief minister Himanta in biak nu darkar somli pariat liam chawa anlawin kap lek manani tuntruma Meghalaya chunga boina hi Riboi district huam chung longkhuli kho chung ani a Riboi district a DC enroll vat lo se chuan thisen a luang ve nge yang Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited chuan Keling khwa electric ban phunan tu mek chu Assam lamen objection an siama chuta longkhuli khomi te thin rim chuan Assam sarkar mi te chu intual vuak pui mai an tuma Assam chuan bas pathum zet police tir ngal thoya boina so sang man viewani te chuan tual chung district council member ni mek Charles Magnar chuan boina mun a thleng ve ngala Assam police te chuan an lo za vak lova mi pui thinina tuar talawani ber Riboi DC RM kurpa kalin boina chu athunun thei ramani khathil khena wang khan Meghalaya chief minister chuan cabinet meeting a ko ngala Assam le Meghalaya boundary thu boi chu an agenda ani cabinet meeting thurel le an thu soite engma chanchin bumi te ma an puang zar du lova engtin nge malak zelan tum ti hriat theilo helai ramri boina hi tun ma atangalo om to ani veya boina so san ber tum chu sang ni le som khan langpia ni in Assam police silai ka awangin Meghalaya mi pali an thia hliam tuar som pani lion omani khathil khen nu khan state pani te chu in bethin takma se kanram anti ve tlata voin thlengin an soifel thei bik lo tuna state pani chief minister te chuan in biak na manga soifel vatan du thu an soi ve maseram in chis khatpo chan tum lo ve te in biak na hian ra tha a chua bikarin om lo khop mai heti lai hian Shillong group YMA chuan diplomacy thiam takin khasi student union te an dor mek ni in chanchin kan muwa thilom om takani KSU hian Mizo mi puite an thlop hle dona thiam taka kan tran ho thei chuan Bengali ho chu an ngoi hle tawng dik tak chuan Assamese te hi keini ang thowa tribal vai cheber timayela tu huwa thu suwa Bengali ho laka ram chan tuma beive mek ania ram rifel sa thlap Assam chunga omma ni se Bengali ho hian Barak Valley hi Assam atanga sa thlak an soiri ve fo to a Assamese le Bengali in kara hian in rem lo na lian taka omani chung zong hidden agenda te kan man thiam huna North East tribal te kan tran ho thei dan hi ala in hong don chawani Shillong group YMA malak na hi an fakom tak zetani KSU in min thlop tak zet chuan Meghalaya chunga kan zo na thlak om ten KSU terem ti na in counter economic blockade te kan siam theyanga Bengali immigrant hovin Mizoram nep ngeyang Assam Tribune na tarlan danin Mizoram hian Central Sarkarin inrem na a theina na formula asiam chu a pomlo ani oma Union Home Secretary in rem lailok na tura aduan sang ni le som ni kum April ni khat anga state pahni te chu omle tura ati chu Mizoram Chief Secretary chuan political party tenen kan soi ho zet lo chuan ka pom ngot thelo ti na changa July ni ku state pahni te in biak na khan engma danglam na asiam lovani Mizoram Chief Secretary hian Mizoram political party le sarkar ngai dan chu a hriat tir le to em tiero kan hretalova in biak na po hian omzia nei thui don lowa ang Central Sarkar chuan government level in biak na siam thoya tum ni in chanchina omboka atua te po in biase kan din na nga ya kan din vek chuan beisei tur dang a om chuang vak lovani Central lama chuan opposition party ten state pani police Assam le Mizoram in ka na chu Home Minister Amit Shah malak na hlo cham wang ti in Amit Shah andem loi loya adik na chen po omang ni liam ta khanan soi ho zo chawa in ka na ahan om ngal hi chu Amit Shah hi pu tur dik tak chu ni a meeting ko khan engma ra tha chho lovani Assam lam chuan tuna ram ri a ommek CRPF te hi an ring tok lo ti thuan soya Mizoram lam point CRPF hi an bias kan ti ve tho mai boka a omzia berchu an neutral view ani ome Assam chuan CRPF nilo Central Sipai tran lam nei lo kan du ti in Central Sarkar an thena Assam Sarkar official te chu ram ria om Central Force chunga an lung oi lo thu Ministry of Home Affairs an hriat tirani Mizoram lam te hi kan lung oi vengem nge sipai dang kan dil ve mai don
your force, CRPF. And similarly, Assam has adjacent, has given CRPF force. Then behind that is Assam Police Force. In a similar manner, behind the CRPF camp, we have our Mizo camp. So I think because they do not understand what actually is the situation. So and Assam is presenting wrongfully that this is not the police camp, some forest camp or something like that. So because of this factual error, there is insistence that our camp should be located. If somebody comes and see it on the ground, it is all right. You will be in your camp. The CRPF deployed by Assam will be in their camp, which is adjacent to you. And similarly, behind the CRPF camp, Assam police is there. So behind our Mizoram CRPF camp, Mizoram police will be there. So you don't have to insist on our location of this site, because they do not know what is on the ground, because of misrepresentation of facts by somebody, vested interest. So you go and see yourself. Here, this is Mizoram CRPF camp. This is Assam CRPF camp. Behind is Assam police camp. Here is our Mizo police camp. So there is no reason to insist on location of this spot. You go see yourself. This is unreasonable.
You can understand, but in little situation you have to refuse this kind of situation.
No, if we are going to insist on our location of this camp, we will also insist on location of this camp.
Very correct.
Yes.
Very correct. The neutral post will be there and all camps will be there. Very, very nice. Yes, that can be cut out, no problem.
The subjects back of the matter, it is very unfortunate. Yesterday, what was that? Being CRPF deployed here in the border, hundreds of Assam police can cross them. It was very unfortunate. How can we trust the CRPF being put here to defuse the situation? Our people, the sentiment of the Mizo peoples are hard.
I can understand. Basically, CRPF is not a border police. It is, you have police which you have maintain law and order. Either this side or this side. We know anything will be any unwanted incident should take place. So unfortunately, it happens. Okay, कोई बात नहीं हो जाता है. It is all right. कुछ हो जाए. But being the neutral force, we want peace. We are peacekeeper. We are peacekeeper here to ensure peace in the public, peace in police in everywhere. That is it.
Just like my IG said,
Ji.
location of this site
Ji.
only by Mizoram
Ji.
is not fair. The Assam side also should locate this site.
Okay, we'll convey your point to them, sir, but as you have said, I would just like to add, we are also getting the same allegations from the Assam side that our SP or IG was killed, were wounded fatally, and CRPF did not intervene to save them, or did not do anything. So, sir, our position is very unviable, I will say. Awkward, very unviable. We are getting a lot of bullshit from your side, we are getting bullshit from our side also.
What I have told you earlier also, we have to generate the proper report, giving all the details, how the Assam police crossed this border and disturbing this law and order
Not
situation
only
in this area.
disturbing, in fact, the fact of the case was Assam police outpowered our police, who are very few in
Not
number,
only our police,
and
even the CRPF.
they forcefully occupied
That should be mentioned.
the police establishment, replacing them with their own force.